Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
You can tell everybody, go ahead and tell everybody, I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man.
Trying to wrap it up, putting everything back together on Ruby. Still got a few things like the mirrors, but I'm gonna wait and put them on so I put the pinstripes on. That's what I'm about to do now, so I ain't got to worry about breaking it up right here. And I'm also gonna put a side molding on. Got them over here. Going with a silver pinstripe, and the molding is silver and maroon. These are 3 things you're gonna need. You're gonna need some cleaning cloths, some razor blades, masking tape, tape measure, and some shears or some scissors. I got some pruners for a tree. They work well. Just get you some rubbing alcohol and clean the area you're gonna be pinstriping. But I'm just using a wet rag because my area is free of grease. With the pinstripe, you want to position it where you want it at, then you want to walk the car with it. Then once you get the length of what you want, you can cut it off with some scissors. Once you get your length cut out, you got 3 different pieces here. You got the back part, that's the backing paper. Then you got the top part is the transfer tape, and the middle is the actual pinstripe. What you want to do, you just want to take it over here and position where you want it at. You could either turn it, see like here, you can turn it that way, or you can turn it this way. I'm going to have it going this way here. So let me position it, then I start pinstriping. to show you the pinstripe. I haven't pressed it down yet. You want to make sure you got it straight before you press it down. Right here, I didn't have enough pinstripe to run to the end. I don't know what happened when I had measured it. I guess I measured it too short, so I had to piece this in, cut it off, and put another piece. Once you get it how you want it, you feel like it's straight, you get you a rag or something and just rub it on it so it'll sit good with the vehicle. I got a damp rag because I don't want to scratch up the paint with a dry rag. See a little bubble there. But you want to do this along the side of the car. Next, what you want to do, you want to lift this transfer tape up. Be real careful so you don't scratch the paint. Lift it up. And then you just pull the transfer tape up along the car. After removing the transfer tape, you want to get your razor blade and go back and cut out the seams. I use cut mans, put a slit right in the middle of the seam. Or you could just cut it out right there, but I like to have mine overlap on the inside, so. I'm going to do a little design up here, so I ain't going to press this down. Then you just go back and press it down. I'm still using this rag because this paint is still, it ain't cured up like it should, so I don't want to scratch it up. Same way with the jambs. Just press it down. Let me show you. See how this edge here done came back up? A lot of times it don't want to burn when you first do it. So let me show you what you can do. You can get your heat gun and heat it up some. Don't put too much heat on it, but just heat it up and it'll stick a lot better, especially in the winter time. Like this piece here. I had cut out for the mirrors also. I ain't put no crazy design in it, I just pointed it off. That's it. I think I got this side squared away. Now what you want to do, you want to duplicate what you did to this side to the other side. Let's go ahead and do the side molding now. I got two pieces. On each piece is a pointed end. One end go in the front, one end go in the back. You're gonna need masking tape, tape measure, and these colors here. Let me take you around here. I done started measuring it. The way I did it, I went off this here, this crease here. I went 8.5 inches up. That's gonna be the bottom of the molding. I did that on this back door. Also up here on this part here. On this back side, this very back side, you're not going to be able to do that because it's not level. It's going at an angle. So you're just going to have to run your tape line from here and kind of eye it once you get back here. I'm just going to run another piece of tape. I'm just going to connect it, put it on top of this, and just run it straight down. Then I have my molding sitting on top of that. This back side, I had just had to eye it. I had brought it over here, then I just eyed it, made sure it was level. I'm gonna show you. There's a piece go here, piece go here, and a piece here. You skip this, then there's another piece here. And what you want to do, you just want to get your molding and just cut them to size. You want to try to leave a gap on each corner because when you open this door, it could rub. I try to put like a angle to it on each corner, like up in here. These are my 4 pieces. That's the little angle I cut. I did them on every cut. Just get a door some clearance when it opens, so you don't rub up against the trim. Plus it gives it a nice little finish.
never stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up, we never stop. Right from the